So part 3 of this lesson is do an example with you. So on exercise 1, I'm going to do the first one with you. They first say draw y equals, or f of x equals sine of x. So I know that if I start at 0, sine of x, if you're not sure, you're going to go into your calculator and you're going to say mode table, and I'm going to have sine alpha to get the x. I'm going to start at minus 360. I'm going to end at 360, and most important step of 45. Okay, which means at my x value of minus 360, I have a 0. At minus 270, I am going to have a 1. At minus 180, I'm going to have a 0. Minus 90, I'm going to have a negative 1. And then I'm going to have 0 and 0, 90 and 1, 180 and 0, 270 and minus 1, 360 and 2. So when I draw it, please, it is not a grade 1 exercise where it's connect the dots. It's not sharp edges, or you're not allowed to take your ruler to draw dot by dot. So I'm just going to say that the yellow one is sine x. Very important, and I'm going to write the f of x is sine x. Right. Cos of x, I am going to make orange. I know that it starts at 1. 90 it goes through 0, 180 it's minus 1, 270, 360. So replicate the other side. Okay, and draw your graph. Okay. Just so that we are clear, I am going to make my cos graph. That's G, that is cos. Okay, now why am I doing this with you? Because I want to get to the B part, understanding what they're saying to me. So graph interpretation, and that's why I used 2 colors. So they are asking me. So I'm quickly going to do all the f of x's. I'm going to highlight the yellow, yes, and orange for g of x. Right, so the first one they say, where is yellow and orange equal to one another? So I need to get all of those equal points. So it will be there, it will be there, it will be there, and it will be there. Okay, so it's 45 degrees every time away. So that is at 45, that is at 180, that, well, mine is not drawn to scale, it should have been there. Okay. So that's 225. That is going to be minus 135. And plus 45, that's minus 350. So where is it equal? So f of x is equal to g of x. Where is that happening? At minus 315, minus 135, 45, and 225. Now I'm asking you, where is yellow? Above orange. So not there, but from there, yellow above orange, yellow above orange. Okay, so where is it above? So f of x greater than equal to g of x. Where does that happen? That happens from, and it must be equal, minus 315 to minus 135, and included. And where does it happen as well? At 45 to 225. Okay, number 3 is the one I actually also want to get to. Where will I take the y value of yellow, subtract the x value of the y value of the orange, and get a 1? Okay, so yellow minus orange equals 1. So what does it mean? At this point, I have a 1 and a 0. So if I say yellow minus orange, yellow minus orange, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Is that what I want? No. The next, they are equal. Here I've got a 1 and a 0, and yellow minus orange, so 1 minus 0 equals 1. Is that what I want? Yes, that's what I want. If I move on, here I've got 0 and negative 1. So yellow minus orange, a minus and a minus is a plus, that's 1. That's what I want. If I look at the equal, the next one, I've got 0 and minus 1. Yellow minus orange, that's a negative 1. That's not what I want. That's what I want. That's what I want. If I go to the next one, I have a 1 and a 0. 0 minus 1 is negative 1. That's not what I want. Equal, then I have 1 and a 0, yellow minus orange. That is 1. That's what I want. There is what I want. So where is f of x minus g of x equal to 1? It is where? At minus 270, at minus 180, at 90, and plus 180. Right, where is f of x equal to minus 1? So where is yellow? Negative 1. That's 1 at 90, x equal to minus 90. There it goes up again, and x equal to 270. Where is g of x increasing? Here we get to the grade 11 work. So orange increasing. Reading from left to right. It's a negative gradient, but then it turns a positive gradient. So that's increasing. Then it's decreasing, and it's increasing again. So where is g of x increasing? So from minus 180 to 0, and where else? From positive 180 to 360. So what is f of x is a maximum. So where do I hit a maximum? This is a maximum, that is a maximum. So where does it hit a maximum? F of x hits a maximum at minus 270 and 90. Okay, not that bad. You are now going to first just draw. So for homework today, I want you to go and draw number 2. But I want you to use a Cartesian plane for all the sine graphs, so all the green ones, all the cos ones, all the tan ones. I have uploaded onto Google Classroom templates of similar Cartesian planes so that you don't spend too much time drawing your Cartesian plane. Okay, those that collected packs from school, you would have received a few copies in your packs as well. Right, have a nice day.